This is 7 ways to make an extra $1,000 per month, and I think that these methods are all pretty realistic that anybody can do.
I know you want to watch this video, but who has time for a 14-minute long movie? So here is the shortcut to learn fast using AI. Expand the description, click on this show transcript button, and the transcript will show at the right hand side. Now select the whole transcript, copy with the timestamp. Now go to ChatGPT, proprietary custom GPT, and paste the video transcript right here. Then click this black up arrow and let the AI do its magic. Now AI is analyzing the video, finding every important information, turning it into a step-by-step tutorial. It's even creating a standard operating procedure if I want to start the business model. Now locating interesting lines for you guys, and even writing a short video script for me, doing SWOT analysis so I know the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and even writing a unique article using easy and 8th graders language. Now writing prompts for AI images that I can use with my article, and now generating images from the prompt for my article. That's exactly what we do to make money. We use AI to learn fast. Then we use this to make short form videos. When we upload those videos on free social media sites, social media send us free traffic to our AI powered automated funnel. Now this AI funnel does the selling for us, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our beginner students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to our free case study.